She says that she has a high tolerance for THC. Here's why that's actually a strong defense in a DUI herb defense. Tolerance, that's one of the biggest hurdles that the prosecution has to overcome in a DUI, quote, herb case. Here's the issue. Someone who's a chronic user of the devil's lettuce, they're going to have a Delta-9 THC buildup in their system, but it does not prove impairment. A daily user, they might function completely normal with a high level of THC in their system, but that same level in a person who does not regularly indulge in the herb, that could, quote, make them completely impaired. That's the problem the prosecution has to overcome. This is way different than an alcohol DUI where someone says 0.08, yeah, he's impaired at that level. Doesn't apply to the wacky tobacco. And in California, the prosecution has to prove, quote, that you were so impaired for the purposes of driving, not just that you had a certain number of THC in your blood system. And if you have a high tolerance, then you could argue that the THC found in your system caused zero impairment. And that's why my defense is I do focus and I have my clients be completely honest with me on their pattern of usage because it's actually a defense. And the government's own study show that a person could have a high level of THC in their system and still function completely normal. Tolerance, it's one of the main reasons you need to aggressively fight a herbal DUI. Attorney Silva out.